Apple Music hacks nobody tells you about in 2026. So first of all, let's open our Apple Music, and in here, if you want to listen to any of the artists, what you can do is simply tap on this particular search bar right here. And now, to be precise and selective about what exactly you want to hear to, you're going to write the exact keyword. So for example, I really want to listen to all of the music from year 2000 to 2005. Now what I'm going to do is simply write year 2000 to 2005. So I'm going to simply search it, and now Apple Music will actually give me all of the playlists and songs from 2000s to 2005. So like this, you can be precise about exactly what you are looking for and write that keyword in order to search. So that was the first one. The second one would be the karaoke. So in here, if I simply open any kind of music and start playing it here, this is the type of full screen that you'll be seeing, right? So beside the full screen, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see all of the lyrics of the music that is currently going on. Beside the music, there will be the option of karaoke. Simply tap on karaoke. Now you will be able to sing in karaoke on that particular song. So that was the second one. So another will be your lossless audio. So in order to get that, what you can do is simply go back and then in here tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on music settings. After tapping on music settings here, what you're going to do is keep on scrolling. If you do have the subscription, you'll be able to see the option of audio quality around here. All you need to do is tap on that one, and in here make sure that it is turned on. And that's it. These were some few hacks that nobody actually knows about.